It's the Grossery Gang!
Shopping? It's going rotten!
Starring Putrid Pizza as Pizza Face, Shoccoli as Doc Brocc, Rotten Egg as Egghead, Sticky Soda as Sparkles, and Dodgey Donut as Rocky. It's where your shopping's gone rotten.
We're the Grossery Gang from the Yucky Mart store!
Focus, team! We hit that slushy handle right there, and we'll have a very, very tsunami on our hands. Yeah! Hit me with that wave of flavor! Doc Brocc, you ready to fire the next round?
Twanky, locked and loaded, sir!
Let's do this!
Yeah! Feel my wrath!
That's your wrath?
Well, let's see you try it.
Ha! Pizza cake! Ha ha ha! Get it? Pizza cake? Kill me!
Just fire the juice box.
Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Whoa! Ah! I want that slushy storm! Yeah! Smackdown!
Guys?
Not one thing hit the slushy machine. Sure it did. I don't remember slingshotting Egghead.
I was the one yelling, no! Stop! Don't!
Oh yeah, I remember. Well, team, there's only one thing to do when life gives you a mountain of crud. Go mountain climbing!
Yeah! Help! Someone save me!
Relax, Biggie. It's just slushy. It'll be cool and refreshing. Or not.
Yow! Great Humpty's yoke! I'm fricasseeing yoke!
Oh my gosh! I know! He even screams in fancy words!
Big jabbers and thunderation!
I got this! Oh! Ow! Long on heroics, bit short on aim. Come on!
We'll save you guys!
Great! He thought pouring liquid onto an electrical appliance and saved them.
Oh, good grief. Has no one ever heard of an off switch? Geronimo! Oh. Ha! You're both alive! Yeah, that roller thingy blew.
Egghead, did you just say blue?
So?
You used a one-syllable word. You're dumb again.
Awesome! What's a syllable?
Yeah!
And you don't want to shut down the Yucky Mart anymore? Shut it down? I'd never want to shut down my yummy, smelly, gooey, hairy house in moldy fun. Did I say hairy?
Yeah! And we love you, man. Just the idiotic way you are.
Really? Come here, big guy. Oopsie! Rocky, you okay?
Rocky? Well, who's that? And who are all of you?
Who are we? We're your best friends in the world.
Oh, really? Well, I swear I've never seen you before in my life. Or my name isn't Katie Harry. Whoa, whoa, you are the only one for me. Ready, Rocky? Let's do this! Banzai! Tuna bunga!
Wow, carry the 1, multiply by the tuna's expiration date, you get 20 points. No star record.
I am the greatest fried dessert that ever lived. And the only.
Oh, me next.
Falling on your face?
Huh? No, what I meant was... Hey, what's that smell? Ew, it's me! Oh, rag, need rag. What's going on?
Oh, that's the store's health department sticker. This is the rat.
Who turned out the lights? I'll fight you! No one turns off Eggheads! Ow! Hey! Ow! What's going on?
Oh, sorry, Egghead, but you gotta admit, that was hilarious. Egghead?
Where did he go?
Egghead! Egghead! Egghead? Hey! Egghead! Come back! Yeah, we're sorry, buddy. We didn't mean to laugh at you. Where are you?
According to my calculations, he could be anywhere. Watching a rabid raccoon devour a rotten cantaloupe in the alley, witnessing a flock of pigeons poop on cars from the window, gazing at the majesty of dead rats floating through the sewer.
I'm not dumb. I'm not. There's nothing but smarty pants thoughts rumbling around in this old noggin, boy. Nothing but... Ooh, hey, a Mindy. It's mine! Oh, come back! Minty, 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 Minty. Oh, that's some in my mouth. Oh no, my mint. Don't worry, Minty. I'll save you. Looks like I need something long and pointy to get you out. Only a smart guy would think of that. But what? Of course, my tongue. Who's the stupid one now? I feel unexpectedly invigorated. What an odd sensation! My brain synapses are firing at an unprecedented rate. I've become super intelligent! My goodness! Even a person of half my IQ could see this establishment is in clear violation of over 538 health codes. 539! There's one thing to do. It's my duty as a responsible citizen to ensure that this store is shut down and condemned. Immediately! Dearest Health Department, I've become aware of a disturbingly large number of health code violations at this grocery establishment. These include, but are not limited to, a faulty air conditioning unit, a cockroach community using the hot buffet as their playground, and graveyard. Oh, no. And a mysterious toxic leak mutating anything it touches.
I'm alive! Dance party!
I trust you will act swiftly to shut this store down for good. Observantly yours, Egghead E. Edgerton, Esquire. There. Now to drop this missive in the mail and wait for this ghastly place to be condemned.
Egghead, we were looking for you. Come and help us out.
Great ghastly gases! What are you doing?
We noticed this jar cracked, stinking, and leaking. So, naturally, we decided to play with it. Awesomest water slide ever!
That's not water, it's spoiled salsa.
Huh? Well, explains the smell and the corn. Ho-ho! Salsa slide!
Excuse me, I have somewhere else to be. Anywhere else, in fact.
Suit yourself. Ready, Rocky? Born ready. Whoa! Tuna bunga!
Oh, my. Thankfully, once I mail this letter to the health department, this whole place will be shut down. In you go.
Did he say what I think he said? Get him!
Oh, dear. Yeah! Yeah! Cease your pursuit. I'm not your enemy. This store is.
No one insults Yucky Mart. This place is paradise.
Ah! My letter!
Ha! I tore it up! In your face! Yucky Mart is safe for all time!
You realize I can simply write another one.
Oh, Well, crud.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have another letter to write, with at least 60 more violations to report. 61.
Buddy, pal, you really want all your friends kicked out on the street?
Well, I've never been out there, but I can only assume that the street is safer and less disgusting. So, yes, I'm only helping you, Rocky. My newfound intelligence has shown me the way.
Huh. What makes you think you're so smart? We've already got a super genius, Doc Brocc.
Ah, that's where I left that peppermint stick.
Of course, Doc Brocc. Egghead, I'll make a deal with you. You prove that you're smarter than Doc Brocc, and you can do whatever you want. But if he proves smarter than you promise to quit this letter stuff for good.
Agreed. But how do we determine which of us is smarter?
Well, naturally, by the most civilized scientific way possible.
What's that?
Slushy dunking contest!
Ah! No! Oh!
All set up here, Pizza Face! Great, Rocky! Okay, to recap, we're about to find out who's a bigger genius, the amazing Doc Brocc, or naturally smart.
Always green. Or Egghead, who zapped his brain by sticking his tongue in a wall outlet and now thinks he's a genius.
I am a genius.
Now, to test who's smarter beyond any possible doubt, we're of course using the most scientific method ever devised, the dunking contest. Yeah, brilliant. The loser falls in neon-colored sludge, probably never to return. Winner gets cake.
Cake. I love science.
The winner, me, also is permitted to contact the health department to close the Yucky Mart forever.
Boo! Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Let the testing begin.
Yeah!
Oh, merciful milk mold.
IQ question number 1. Egghead, what do you get when you cross a brontosaurus with fireworks?
What do you get when you cross a... That's just a riddle from a gum pack.
Wrong! The answer is dynamite! Get it? Rocky, if you will.
Ugh, you're insane!
Thank you. Next question, Doc Brocc. How do you make a tissue dance?
Ha! Just put a little boogie in it.
Yeah, correct. Egghead, what did one hat say to the other?
This is totally unfair.
Nope, the hat said, you stay here, I'll go on ahead. Rocky, cut 2 spaghettis for that terrible answer. You got it.
What?
Doc, why did the toad cross the road?
To prove he had guts.
Yes!
This is madness!
Egghead's turn. What's invisible and smells like carrots?
Police!
Wrong! Bunny farts! Nice try, though. Bye-bye now.
Ah,